Hi there, in today's short video I'm going to be talking you through adding a blog post on WordPress along with inserting a YouTube video and also an image. My name is Carl from Buzz Website Design, and thanks for joining me on this yet another WordPress how-to video. Anyway, we're working today on a website called bigbashevents.co.uk. It's one of my clients. I have his permission to use this. Steve from Big Bash provides event balloons and displays. He's very good at what he does. He's helped us out with some of our events, and I can recommend him heartily. So here we are on the WordPress posts page. So here's all of his blog posts, mostly about events that he's done, and all we're going to do is create a very simple blog post using the new WordPress editor. Well, not new, it's been around for a little while now, and it's finally got to the point where it's really good, well worked out and quite slick. So first of all, we're going to click on Add New. Okay, that's loaded up, and here we have the Welcome to Block Editor. Now, it's a great reminder that the new WordPress editor is a block editor. So think in terms of blocks of text, image, video, and to some extent columns. We're not going to get into columns today, but we're just going to create a very simple blog post using the block editor. So let's get rid of that. We're going to give this a quick title. This is a test, and the first thing we have down here is says start writing or type to choose a block. So what we're going to do is just create a little bit of text. So put a bit of text in there and so on. You can of course type. Every time you press enter, it creates a new block of text, effectively another paragraph. If you treat blocks like paragraphs, that's a nice easy way to view it. When you click your cursor into the block, you then get a little cross over here, which enables you to add a block. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to add an image. Nice and simple. We could upload it, of course. We can use a media library, or we can insert it from an exterior URL. But for today's purpose, we're just going to insert it from the media library, like so. And we're just going to pick one of these at random. That will do nicely. So highlight that, click on select bottom right, and it simply adds it into the blog post. Now we can also then write a caption underneath it if you want to add a bit more context to the image. Nice and simple. So we're going to add some more text in here. Now, bearing in mind this text could be quite long. If you're blogging, I suggest that you write as much as you possibly can, largely because the search engines love text, etc., and they can't really get to grips with the intent of an image, but they certainly can text. So there's an extra text block. So now what we're going to do in here, we're going to add a YouTube video. Now, I've already opened up a YouTube video. Why blogging is important, one of our ones from earlier. You can either simply copy the URL, although to be honest I don't recommend you copy that one, or click on share. There's your URL right there. Click on copy, go back over to your blog post, and then simply paste it into there. And WordPress takes care of the rest. So it really is that simple. And again, you would have more text, etc., and you would just keep going. Now, over on the right-hand side, there's a number of things to take into account. So you can do settings for a particular block, or you can get some document settings going as well. If you want to add tags, obviously it's over here as usual. Featured image is here. If you want to have it a featured image, you don't have to. Depending on your theme, featured images can be very useful because they often show up on the blog post feed and blog post page itself. Excerpt is good for SEO, just to let the search engine give a bit more context to what you want to do. Obviously you can have your blog post categories over here. In this case, Steve's only got one category. If you've only got one category, it will automatically put it into that. And finally, down at the bottom, discussion. If you don't want people to make comments or pingbacks, trackbacks, that's fine. You tick those. And that pretty much is all there is to it. So if we click on publish, just to get it out there. There we go. Get another reminder. Are you sure? And now it's done, so we can go over here on the right hand side and click on view post and take a look. And there it is. there is the blog post. Nice and simple and straightforward. So just remember, YouTube kind of takes care of the imagery, and also WordPress takes care of the image, and also the YouTube blog embedding. Nice and simple. Keep it simple. More text you write, the better off you'll be. If you want to do SEO on the blog post, there's another video on which we're going to town on using Yoast SEO to do optimization on your blog posts and pages, and there's a link to that below this video. But either way, I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for joining me, and bye for now.